Samsung's been a fan of centrally aligned rear camera setups on its flagship S and Note lines for a few years now, but the company may be looking to change things with the upcoming Galaxy Note 10. As the number of cameras and sensors on the back increases, it's getting pretty hard to fit all of them in a manner that doesn't prove to be unsightly. Just ask Apple about its rumored camera hump on the 2019 iPhones. This render was created based on a leaked schematic of the Note 10's purported rear camera arrangement. While the camera's positions are shown in this image like in the sketch to the left, the shape of the island, as well as the positioning of the flash are just educated guesses, since there's no information on either in the schematic itself. So the flash could end up being underneath the 2F camera and flood illuminator, not above. Also, Samsung could merge the big island with the small one and not let that bit of colored rear panel glass reside in between them. If you're eagle-eyed, you may have spotted that something's missing here, and that is the heart rate sensor. It seems likely that Samsung is going to get rid of that because it would just add even more clutter. It's already gone from the Galaxy S10 5G, so this wouldn't be a very surprising move.